Hi students, this video I will explain you how to do the median problems. In exercise 14.3 you are asked in some problems to find out all the three, mean, median and mode, but I will explain how to do median only, because you know how to do mean and mode and you can go through the previous videos so that you can do those, okay. And I'll explain you the relation between mean, median and mode. There is a formula called empirical formula where if one of them is unknown among the mean, median and mode, you can find out the third one using this formula. The formula is called empirical formula, okay. First of all, how to find out the median, I tell you. See, you'll be given class interval something like that, and frequency, class interval, frequency. After frequency, mode, median formula first I read, then I tell you what is what. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. What are these? First of all, we have to find out the median class. What is median class? So when we do a problem, you can understand, but I'll try to explain you. First of all, we find capital N. Capital N is sum of the frequencies. Suppose if the frequencies are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Later we go with cumulative frequency. So what is the total frequency here? 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. Okay. Let us find out cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means the frequency should be added to the next frequency. Suppose it starts with 1. Next you add the next frequency, this value to this value. It will be 3. Next you add this 3 to this value. It becomes 6. Next you add to this value. It becomes 10. Next add to this value. 15. Next add to this value. 20. Next add to this value. 20. This is called cumulative frequency. Okay. See carefully, guys. Pause the video and go back and see carefully. Now, how to find the median class? I tell you. N is 28. So find n by 2. 14. You have to see in cumulative frequency column where the value 14 exceeds. Where the value exceeds 14. Okay. So here 15 is the value which is exceeding 14. So we take this as a median class. Median class. Okay. In median class we take f as the frequency, required frequency. Now this value, you will have a class interval here. This is the lower limit of the class interval. You have f, and Cf is not this one. Cf is the value just above the median class. This is Cf. Cf is the value which is above the median class. Now if I do one problem, you will understand it very easily. So this is the first problem of exercise 14.3. In this problem you are asked to find out all the mean, median and mode also. Let us find out median. So that mode and mean you know how to do it. Okay. First of all, capital N. Capital N means nothing but the sum of the frequencies. Let us add all this. 9 plus 13, 22 plus 20, 42, 42, 46, 56 plus 8, 64 plus 4, 68. 68 is the total. Now let us find out cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means start with the frequency and keep on adding the next frequency. 4 plus 5. Now 9 plus 13. 22 plus 20. 42 plus 14. 56 plus 8. 64 plus 4. This should be equal to this. Okay. Now what is n by 2? N by 2 is 34. Now you just see the cumulative frequency where you have to find out a value which exceeds n by 2. You have to find out a value. You have to trace out a value in cumulative frequency that will exceed n by 2. Which is exceeding 34, 34, 34. This is exceeding 34. So this is median class. So in median class, what is f? This is f and this is not Cf. The value which is just above the median class is Cf and this is L. So let us apply the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So L is 125 plus n by 2 34 minus Cf by f is 20 into h. H is the difference. How much it is? 20. 20. Now you can cancel these two. 125 plus, it becomes 12. So the answer is 137 is the median. Okay. Okay, all of you see the second question. You are given the data with complete median value is given and two unknowns are given in frequencies. So you have to find out x and y value in frequency. How? And you are given the total frequency capital N and also median. I'll tell you, this is very important. You can expect this type. One example problem is also there. So one of them definitely you can expect for board examination. Okay. Now look at. First let us calculate the total frequency. Total is actually 60 it is given, but how it is 60? When you add all. Okay. 5 plus 20, 25, 40, 45 plus x plus y is 60. Right? That means x plus y is equal to 15. Keep it in a box. We use it later. Now let us take cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency 5. Next add this 5 plus x. Next add this 25 plus x. Next add this 40 plus x. Next add this 40 plus x plus y. Next add this 45 plus x plus y. Now how to take median class here? See, usually we take median class by using n by 2, where the cumulative frequency value just exceeds n by 2. But when unknowns are given, be careful, but when unknowns are given, you are not supposed to choose median class like that. When unknowns are given, the median class is chosen, the median class to be chosen using the value of median. What is median given? 28.5. 28.5. Because when you take n by 2, we don't know which value is crossing this because these are unknowns. So when unknowns are given, the median class is to be chosen using the value of median. 28.5, which where it exists in this class interval. It exists here 20 to 30, 20 to 30. 28.5 lies between 20 to 30. Okay, we take this one as median class. And if this is median class, this is F and this is L and this will be CF. Okay, now let us substitute all. So median is this L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H is 28.5. Okay, L is 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 means 30 minus CF. CF is 5 plus x. Put it in a bracket by F. F is 20. This is F into H. H is 10 is equal to 28.5. Okay. Now you can cancel this 2 times. Bring this 20 that side. It becomes 8.5. Now it becomes 30 minus 5 minus x. 25 minus x by 2 is this. 25 minus x is 17. So x will be 8. When you get x, come here. So it becomes x plus y is equal to 15. When x is 8, 8 plus y is 15. So y will be equal to 7. Like that. Be careful. The only important thing to remember here is choosing the median class. Median class is not to be chosen according to the n by 2, but it is to be chosen according to the median that they gave. Okay? Okay. All of you please have a look at the third problem. The data is not the regular data that we get. It is something different they have given. The class intervals are not given and they have given ages like below 20, below 25, something like that. So we rewrite the data. We rewrite how to write the data. Again, enter. Below 20 is given, so we take below 20. We don't know the lower limit. Okay. Next one is we take 20 to 25. Next one is 25 to 30. 30 to 35. 35 to 40. 40 to 45. 45 to 50. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. How to find out these values? I tell you. Below 20. So you can take 0 to 20 or this difference is 5 here. So you can take it as 15 to 20, anything. Below 20 it is given. So actual lower limit is not required here. So you take, it is 2. Now below 25 is given as 6. Below 25 is given as 6. Below 20 is 2. So what will be the number between 20 to 25? What will be the number? It is nothing but 4. Agree? Because below 25 should be 6, no? And we have to remove from, suppose if you want from 20 to 25, you have to remove below 20. Okay? Now in the same way, let us take this. Below 30 is 24, but I want between 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Then what will be 25 to 30? Just subtract this. Just subtract. It will be 18. And 30 to 35 will be between 30 to 35. See, this is below 30 and below 35. You will get this minus this as 30 to 35. This will be 21. And this minus this will give 35 to 40. 3, 33. This minus this 1, 1. And between 45 to 50, 45 to 50, below 50, below 40. Just remove, you will get 45 to 50. 92 minus 81, it is 3. Okay, 3. Now, below 55. 50 to 55, we need 98 minus 92, it is 6. Now, this becomes 55 to 60, it becomes 2. Okay? Hope we got all. We write it properly. 3, 6, 2. Okay? Now we proceed with actual process. And you know one thing, your cumulative frequency, this is frequency, will be the frequency given here. If you want, you can calculate again without confusion. Directly you will get the same thing. 2, 4, 4 plus 18, 22. Sorry, 2, 6, 6 plus 18, 24, 24 plus 45, 45, 77, 78, 78 plus 89, 89, 92, 98 and 100. So this is cumulative frequency. Let us calculate capital N. Capital N will be 100, no doubt, because this will be equal to this. Okay. Now let us find out median. Median class. What is n by 2? N by 2 is 50. Where it is crossing 50 in cumulative frequency? So it is crossing 50 here. So we take this as median class. So median is equal to L. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. So this will be Cf, this will be F, this will be L. Okay? Cf. Now, L is 35 plus n by 2, 50 minus 45 by F. F is 33 into H is 5. So it becomes 35 plus 5 into 5, 25 by 33. It becomes 35 plus 0 point, some 33 into 8, 7. It becomes 35.7 approximately. Okay? Okay, all of you see the fourth problem. The same problem but you have to observe carefully, it is not continuous. Why it is not continuous? The lower limit where the first class interval ends is not equal to the upper limit of the second class interval. So when these two are not equal, what we make? We make these two same. How to make? Let us see. What is the difference we see here? 1. When difference is 1, we make it to half. We add half to the upper limit and we subtract half from the lower limit. So let us rewrite this class interval. Rewrite. So it becomes 117.5 to 126.5, and this becomes 120. Subtract from lower, add to upper. Add to upper. So 135.5 to 144.5. 144.5 to 153.5. 153.5 to 162.5. 162.5 to 171.5. 171.5 to 180.5. Now let us find out cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency will be, let us find out capital N also. Capital N 8, 17, 29, 34, 38, 40. N is 40. Now cumulative frequency will be 3 plus 5, 8, 17, 29, 34, 38, 40. Yes, you are right. Now, what is median class? What is n by 2? N by 2 is 20. 20. Where it is crossing 20? So this is that one where it is crossing 20. Okay. Now this will be cumulative frequency median class, and this is CF, and this will be F. This will be F, and this is L. Let us find out median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. L will be 144.5 plus n by 2, 20 minus Cf 17 by f is 12 into h value will be difference. Now we have to take h value. Actually before it was h is 8, now it becomes 9. See carefully. Now h value you have to take it as 9. See, after that is the reason what will change if you make into continuous series. H value changes, also lower limit changes. Okay, 3 4s, 3 3s, 9 by 4. So 144.5 plus 9 by 4, it becomes 2.25. It becomes 2.25, 146.75. Okay. Okay, see the fifth problem, the values are little bigger, let us do. So let us find out Kaplan here first. Let us find cumulative frequency so that you will get Kaplan also. 14 plus 56 is 70. This becomes 130 and 216, 220, 290, 352, 352 again 360, 400. So note of n will be 400. So what is n by 2? N by 2 is 200. Let us see where it exceeds 200. It exceeds here. So this is Cf, this is F, this is L. Let us find out median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. L value is 3000 plus n by 2, 200 minus 130 by 86 into H. H will be 500. Difference is 500. So you can cancel, no, let us do 70 into 500 by 86. Okay, 243 times 235 times. Okay, so 3000 plus 5 5 is 25, 5 is 15, 175, 100 by 43. So you have to divide that. So when you divide that, you will get approximately 43 into 4s, 160 and 12, 172. It becomes 30. So it becomes 0. One more 0, 300. 300 means 43 into 6, 7. 43 into 7. 300, it is exceeding 7. So we take 6 point. When you take 43 to 6, 300 means 6 into 43, 258. It becomes 42. So 420. Approximately we take 9. So 3406.9. Okay. Okay, let us see the sixth problem. So series is coming, everything is fine, values are there. Let us find out cumulative frequency so that we will get n also. Okay, 6, 36, 76, 92, 96, 100. So Kaplan is 100. What is n by 2? Is 50. Where is cosine 50? So this value. So median, this is CF and this is F, this is L. Median L plus, actually in these problems they ask us to find out a mean mode also, but I am not doing, I am doing only median because you can do those mean and median mode. So L is 7 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 50 minus CF. CF is 36 by F. F is 40 into 100. Into H. H will be 3. H will be 3. Now 7 plus this becomes 14 by 40 into 3. 27. It becomes 7 plus 21 by 20. It becomes 10. 2 tens, it becomes 10.5. 7 plus 10.5 by 10. 7 plus 1.05. it becomes 8.05 is the median. Okay. Okay, let us see the last problem. Median, same process. Let us find the cumulative frequency 2, 5, 13, 19, 25, 28, 30. So capital N is 30. N by 2 is 15. Let us see where it is crossing 15. So it is now here. This is CF. This will be F, and this will be L. Okay, median. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is 55 plus N by 2, 15 minus CF 13 by F is 6 into H. H is 5. So it becomes 55 plus 2 into 5 by 6. 3. Now it becomes 5 by 3. 55 plus 1.6. 6. So you can write 56.66 or 67, anything you can write. Alright, all the best.